guys, thanks for joining me today. This is my first time on camera, so please bear with me. We're going to be taking the first shots with the Springfield Hellcat. Thank you so much to Springfield for sending the Hellcat for me to review. So first shots through the Hellcat, and we're going to be taking shots with American Eagle, and this is 124 grain full metal jacket, and we're going to be using the S&B, and this is 115 grains of both 9mm, of course. So let me load it up and we'll take some of the first shots through the Springfield Hellcat. Okay, so we're ready. We've loaded up, and the first rounds are going to be through the 13 round mag, and we're shooting the American Eagle 13 rounds through the Hellcat. So those are the first 13 rounds through the Hellcat. Interesting, a little bit more snappy than my current EDC, which is the Glock 43X, but pretty good. It's definitely looking like a 6 o'clock hold, but let's now run the 10 round mag, which is going to be the S&B. So the gun is clear, very nice. I can tell you right now, it's snappy. It's very snappy compared to the other micros, like the SIG P365. But in an odd way, it's very manageable. It's accurate, and once we get to the tabletop, we'll be able to talk in more detail about it. There are some things I'm not liking very much about how the grip sits in the web of my hand, but very accurate so far. So as you can see, these are the first shots through the Hellcat, and not bad at all. 13 rounds and then 10 rounds with the second mag. So let me change targets, let me reload, and then we'll do another couple rounds through it. So now we're going to do another 13 shots of the American Eagle, giving you a little profile on the pistol so you can see how it shoots. There it is. Overall, this is, at least with a extended mag, with a 13 round mag, this is actually pretty darn good. So now we're going to try to get a little bit more accurate with a gun, and now that I have a better feel for it. So it's going to be the 10 round mag, and it's loaded with the SNB. The gun is clear. I'm definitely riding the slide stop right here. And no, I'm not muzzling my head. The gun is empty. So, but I have a similar issue with the Glock 43X, which right now is my daily carry, but I'm definitely riding the slide a little bit. So now we're going to do 13 shots using the American Eagle. There it is. The gun is clear. Overall, really nice. We're going to go back to the tabletop and figure out exactly what my opinions and my feelings are about it. It's definitely a lot more controllable using the 13 round mag, of course, than the 10. Overall, pretty impressed. So I wanted to show you the target, and these were the second round of mags that I used through the Springfield Hellcat, using both the 13 round and the 10 round mag that came with it. Not bad at all. First shots through the Hellcat, pretty impressed so far. And this is unedited. You saw what happened, good or bad, that's where it is.